Happy Monday. What's going on, guys? Sorry for the late upload. I'm actually here in Hawaii, so it's 7:30 p.m. for me here right now. I know that if you're in the West Coast, you're right around 10:30 p.m., and if you're in the East Coast, it's tomorrow. With that being said, there just are a few things I quickly wanted to touch on, and the first thing is oil is dropping. As you can see, UCO is down 5.1%, one of the biggest drops that we've seen in some time. The whole reason behind this is because of the news that's happening right now. U.S. stock futures advance as Iran peace deal hopes, and this is denting oil prices. Again, it's all over social media. Just now, stock futures soared to new record highs after the US and Iran reached an agreement to extend their ceasefire deal. The biggest thing is some people might look at this and be like, oh, well, there's nothing new here. So why does this really matter? Well, again, first off, there wasn't an attack. That was something that markets were speculating based off of a series of events that happened on Friday. Now, there isn't an attack, so things are not escalating, and it actually looks like they might be de-escalating, at least for now, right? On top of that, it says Iran would proceed with clearing mines from the strait during a 30-day window following an agreement. After agreement, ships from all countries would be able to navigate freely and safely, just as they did before the de facto shutdown. This is, again, great news. The reopening and the full reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. So in that sense, the markets do have a reason to be rallying. Now, is it anything new from what we've seen for the past 8 weeks? No, right? But again, it's just the optimism that the markets have. We've gone through this when it came down to the tariffs, and we've gone through this when it came down to the pandemic, right, during COVID. It wasn't that cases were not happening for COVID, if you guys can think back to the market during that time, that caused markets to recover. The reason markets began to aggressively recover, one of many reasons, is things were not getting worse. There were still cases, but again, there weren't more cases than there were before. Remember, the stock market is a leading indicator. It often does get ahead of itself, but in doing so, it ignores news that no longer looks to be a concerning issue. And as you can tell, for the past 7 to 8 weeks, I'm right there with you that, well, it doesn't look like things are technically getting better, but again, it's if they're not getting worse in the eyes of the stock market, they are getting better. Now, as of right now, if we pay attention to what it is that's going on with the overall NASDAQ market, we just hit new all-time highs during overnight hours, 0.87%. The big thing is, will they continue to rally as soon as markets open? If we look at this on the 4-hour time frame, aggressive higher highs and higher lows, and on top of that, there are some pretty decent companies reporting earnings this week. We have Dell, we have Best Buy, we have what was the other one? Snowflake, HP, a handful of companies. Dell's the biggest one, especially after Trump promoted it as a good buy. I would really be interested to see if the hype continues with these type of companies. Remember, the big story last week was these quantum companies. These quantum companies are receiving up to $2 billion in investments from the Trump administration as they receive stake. So the question I'm beginning to ask with some of these is, after a significant rally, are they going to begin to correct? We're just watching them, but I will talk a little bit more about it during this week's live trading session, and I hope to see you there. I do want to remind you, again, we still have a few hours here in Hawaii. It's still not midnight, so if you guys didn't get a chance, we're offering 50% off for LPP. It's going to be the second link in the description down below, and the promo code is going to be in the description if you want 50% off. Remember, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access. You get access to the A to Z video lesson library. You get access to the daily live trading session and the private group chat. It's all included in the one-time payment for lifetime access. So again, normally it's $6.99. For the current sale we have going on, it's 50% off. So again, second link in the description down below will hook you up with just that. I hope to see you for tomorrow's live session. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.